Found a TLK file in a BioWare game folder and want to access the dialogue text? This talk table holds all the spoken lines in classic RPGs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Aurora Engine talk tables. To quickly determine if the TLK file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. A TLK file is a talk table used by games built on BioWare's Aurora Engine, such as Neverwinter Nights and Knights of the Old Republic. It stores all in-game text, including dialogue, item descriptions, and journal entries. Modders frequently edit these files to create custom content or translations. The TLK file is a binary data table containing a header and a series of string entries. Each entry has an ID and the text content. This indexed, non-human-readable format was designed for fast lookups by the game engine, allowing it to quickly retrieve and display any required piece of text during gameplay. It is standard practice to open the TLK format using the designated Neverwinter Nights by BioWare. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows cannot preview these elements, so specialized utilities are needed. To find the correct opener, right-click the TLK file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with Neverwinter Nights first. If it's not present, select a different program and keep testing. If the TLK file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, opening with TLK Editors. Use specialized tools like TLK Editor or NWN Toolset for Neverwinter Nights to open TLK files. These editors display all string entries with their numerical IDs, allowing translation, localization, or text modification for game modding purposes. Save changes back to TLK format for game integration. Next, extracting text content. Use the TLKedit command line tool or scripts from the NWN community to extract all text from TLK files into plain text or CSV format. This enables bulk translation review or text analysis without specialized editor software, making content more accessible for analysis and translation projects. Finally, modifying for game mods. Edit TLK files to create custom dialogue text item descriptions or interface text modifications for game mods. Place modified TLK files in the game's override directory, following the engine's mod loading conventions. Test changes in-game, ensuring string IDs remain consistent with referencing scripts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.